Okay, hello, good morning students. Now in this video today we'll be discussing about the programming section of this chapter iteration. Okay, we have basically covered your theory section of the chapter. Okay, now today we're discussing regarding the programming part. Okay, now the basically in your class 10 syllabus for this chapter iteration there are three types of programming question which comes. One is a series question, one is a pattern question, and one is a number problems. Okay, there are three different kinds of questions which will be coming from this chapter, and most probably every year one question is sure there will be one question from this chapter. And if there are years when you had more than one question coming from this chapter. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, please follow the video properly, understand. Okay, and if you feel in difficulty, please pause the video, see again, and understand the topic clearly. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and please follow up the video nicely. Okay, so we'll start today with the series questions. Okay, how we solve series questions. Okay, let's take some examples and we start doing the questions. Okay, now what type of series question looks like? First of all, if you see that, let's take some example on it. Okay, first these two questions we have. Now we'll try to design a loop. Okay, we'll try to design series question. Basically we'll be doing with the help of your for loop. Okay, we have done total three kinds of loop: your for, while, and do while. Okay, you have already learned the syntax and the way how we to write the loops. Okay, now since we are going to solve these questions with the help of your for loop, let's revise once the syntax of the for loop. So just to revise the syntax, I have written in the rightmost: for, in the bracket we have initialization, then condition, then increment, decrement, then statement. Okay, now based on the question I have to design a for loop. Okay, question is to design a for loop. So here if you want to, question is to design a for loop for the following. Now we'll see, basically before we start series question we have to understand this is a portion of the series question, like step by step we're going into it. So completely when we get into series question, there are different kind, we're going that later on. First we'll understand how to design for loops. Okay, rightmost side I already gave you the syntax. Now let's get into the question now. Okay, now question 1 is telling we want to print, design a for loop for the following. If I want to print 1, 2, 3 up to 20, how my loop should be, how my for loop should be. Okay, so for, we'll start with for, and in the first step we have what? We have initialization step. Okay, so for initialization step what we need to do? Initialization is how much? My loop in the question is starting from the value of which I need to print is starting from 1. So I'll write what? int your I equals to 1. I took a variable initialization step. My first value of I which I need to print is starting from 1. It is going till how much? 20. So the value of I will be I less than equals to 20. Till the value of I is less than equals to 20, it will keep on printing. Okay, how much the value of I will be? I have taken this as I with all our I values. Okay, now integer value of I is starting from 1. Since 1, 2, 3, 4 they all are integer values, so I've taken int I equals to 1. It is going till 20, so I less than equals to 20. Okay, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till whatever numbers we take on this example, all the values are less than 20 or it can be equal to 20. Okay, so that is the condition, I is less than equals to 20. The condition is this. Next we need to write what? After condition we have increment or decrement. In this case what it is happening? Is it increasing or it is decreasing? Obviously it is increasing. The value of I is increasing 1 by 1. Like after 1 the next value is 2, then 3. It is increasing by 1. It is increasing by 1. So if I want to write that, I have to write I plus plus, or you can write in this, instead of this you can write I equals to I plus 1. Same thing. Yeah, both are same thing. Okay. Either of them you write. Don't write both of them. This or this you can write. Clear? Understood? After that, a bracket open, and we need to write the statement. What is the statement we need to do? The statement is I need to print the value of I. So what to write? System dot out dot print I plus a comma. Why did I write I plus comma? Now if you see the question properly, I have the value of I 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20, and every time it is you're increasing by 1, and every time it is being differentiated or separated by commas. So that is why I plus comma. Okay, understood all of you? So what will happen? First value of I is 1 will be printed. 1 is less than 20. Sorry, see properly again. Okay, see nicely. Value of I is 1 is less than 20. Yes. Then it will get inside and print the value of I and a comma. So 1 and comma will be printed. Next we'll go here I plus plus. What is next value of I? Next value of I, because of I plus will be 2. 2 is less than 20. Yes. Again it will come inside. 2 will be printed with comma. This way next will be value of I will be 3. 3 will also be printed. 3 is also less than 20. And 3 and a comma will be printed. You keep on printing 4, 5, 6 till your 19. 19 is also less than 20. Yes or no? So 19 will also be printed and a comma. After that next value of I is 20. 20 is less than 20. No, but 20 is equal to 20. Yes. So 20 will also be printed. Next I value is 21. Since I plus after 20, the value of I will change to 21. The 21 is less than 20. See the condition. 21 is less than 20. No. 21 is equal to 20. No. So the loop will stop. Okay. This is how you design a for loop. Understood? Clear all of you? Now next we'll try to see the next question. How we solve it. The same method will be following in the next question. Okay. Now same way, for if I start for int I equals to how much? What is the value of I starting from? In this case, the value of I have to print from -1. So my first value of I is -1. It is going till 21. Is the value decreasing or increasing? In -1, I have to decrease 2, then it will change to -3. Again in -5, decrease 2 will change to -5. It is going till 21. So what will happen? Let's write I should be greater than equals to -21. Okay, till the value of I is more than 21 or equal to 21, it will keep on printing. And what is happening? The value of I is keep on decreasing by 2. So we'll write I equals to I minus 2. Clear all of you? Understood? And what I need to do? Every place is all these are the values of I. So SOP, the bracket I plus comma. Clear? Close the for loop. Okay. So this is how you design a for loop. Understood? Clear all of you? You see few more questions. There are different kinds. You'll understand that. Okay. So now we are basically discussing how if we have questions where we have comma, how to do those questions. Okay. Understood? Now we'll see the next one.